Hello everyone and welcome back to yet another video on our channel, where today we're diving into what might be the most powerful AI platform that you've never heard of, but definitely need to. It's called ChatLLM Teams by Abacus.AI, and it puts a full AI command center at your fingertips, all the best language models, all the top image and video generators, all the tools for coding, teamwork, humanizing content, and more, all in one unified dashboard, and all for just $10 a month. Let that sink in. One platform, one price, everything. But before we go further, definitely make sure to hit the link in the description and the pinned comment. That's your portal to try ChatLL Teams right now. It works right in your browser and you don't need anything installed. So you'll definitely want to explore it firsthand while I break this down. And while you're doing that, a quick disclaimer before we dive into all of this: we are not in any way affiliated with any of the projects that review on our channel, so definitely make sure to do your own due diligence, and don't forget to obviously leave a like, subscribe, comment down below with your favorite thoughts and opinions at the very end of the video. And having said that, let's dive right into it. So what do you actually get with ChatLLM Teams? Let's start with the big guns. You get access to all the major LLMs in one place. That includes o1, o4, GPT 4.1, Claude 4, Gemini 2.5, DeepSeek, Grok 4, and others. Each one has different strengths, and instead of paying for each separately, ChatLL Teams gives you subscription that unlocks all of them instantly. Absolutely insane. And if you don't know which model is the best for your task, Root LLM takes care of that. It automatically routes your query to the model that performs best for that use case, which means that better results without you actually needing to test manually or waste time switching back and forth. But this platform goes far beyond chatting with text. Now, let's talk visuals. Image generation is fully built in. You can create stunning visuals using tools like ChatGPT, ImageGen, DALL-E, Ideogram, Recraft, and Flux, all inside the same dashboard. You're not switching sites or juggling loggings, just select your tool and generate. Video generation, same story. You've got Hailuo AI, Kling, Luma, and Runway integrated. These are just some of the top tier AI video generators out there, and you can use them directly for ChatLLM Teams. Whether you're creating content for social media, clients, or internal demos, it handles it with ease, so you have nothing to worry about. Now, developers, listen up, because one of the standout tools is CodeLLM. It's a fully embedded code editor based on VS Code, familiar, powerful, and included for free with your ChatLLM subscription. You can write, edit, and run code directly into the platform without needing a separate IDE. And if you're building AI apps, automations, or scripts, this is a serious time saver, as all of you can actually figure out by yourselves by now. Now let's talk about one of the most unique features: Artifacts and AI Engineer. Artifacts basically lets you test prompts across multiple models side by side, which is incredibly useful when you need to compare performance or tune prompts. Now the AI Engineer goes even further. It helps you build custom chatbots or agents based on your inputs. So no coding required, you tell it what you want, and it builds it. This feature alone could actually save companies hours of dev work. And another killer tool is Humanize. It takes raw AI-generated text and rewrites it to feel more natural, more human, and therefore more real. Great if you're using AI to write blog posts, emails, scripts, or anything public-facing. There's a Humanize button to every response, and if you're not happy with the first press, just click again for variations. It's as simple as that. And then we've got Deep Agent. Think of it as your digital co-founder. It can create websites, mobile apps, AI apps, technical reports, presentations, marketing plans, travel itineraries, and even short videos. You give it a goal and it executes. It's like having a whole startup team built into the platform. If you work with others, ChatLLM Teams is built for collaboration, obviously. You can invite unlimited team members, share chats, manage access, and build together. It integrates directly with Slack, Microsoft Teams, Google Drive, and OneDrive. That makes sharing, syncing, and reviewing work incredibly simple across any size team. Now, let's talk about pricing. For just $10 a month, as I've already mentioned, you get access to all of this. That includes the full suite of models, all the visual tools, the VS Code editor, the AI engineer, and everything else. No hidden fees, no complicated tiers. Just one price per user. Compare that to paying for each LLM separately, for example, GPT-4, Claude, Gemini, and others. You'd easily spend over $100 per month for access to all those individually. ChatLLM Teams wraps it all up for 1/10 of the cost. Now, still got questions? Let's run through the big ones. You get 2 million compute points per month. That's roughly equivalent to 15 million input tokens on advanced models like GPT 4.0 and Claude Sonnet. These points can also be used for generating premium images and videos. On average, you'll be able to create about 400 images or 50 videos per month, depending on which tools you use. Bought extra compute points and didn't use them? No problem. Unused extra roll over to the next month. Need to know how many users you can invite? There is no limit. You can add as many as you need. Each new user is billed at $10 per month. You can also get clear visibility on usage. Each response shows exactly how many compute points were used, so you can manage your consumption with no surprises. And near the end of each month, the platform unlocks your remaining 25% for a productivity boost. Bottom line, this platform is not a toy, it's not a wrapper, not a gimmick. It's a fully integrated AI operating system for creators, developers, marketers, startups, and teams who need serious firepower at a low cost. Try it now. Go to their official website, click the link in the description and pinned comment as well. That's where it all starts. If you found this breakdown useful, definitely make sure to leave a like, subscribe, comment down below with your favorite thoughts and opinions. Definitely tap the bell so you don't miss out what's coming next. We've got so many more wild AI tools coming your way. And having said that, that will be all for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I really hope to see you all in the next video.